The bar chart statistics offer us more detailed information about the fluctuations occurring in delta. Looking at this Bitcoin chart, you can see a steady upward movement beginning. The very first row of the bar statistics clearly displays and represents the delta value that was formed at the close of the candle. The second row serves to indicate and highlight the maximum positive delta that was actively developed and recorded throughout the entire duration of the candle. Accordingly, the third row is designed to illustrate and display the absolute lowest negative delta value that had been established and formed during the entire course of the candle. The very bottom row clearly shows the total trading volume of the candle. In this particular case, we can see a clear change in delta, characterized by a steady increase in the maximum positive delta, along with a simultaneous decrease in the negative delta values.